Testing for phosphate, featuring Taylor's K-8005, formulated for exclusive use with Taylor's TTI colorimeter. Test method: molybdenum blue. Under acidic conditions, phosphate reacts with ammonium molybdate, producing a heteropoly acid, which is then reduced with ascorbic acid to produce an intense blue color proportional to the concentration of phosphate in a sample. Interferences. The following analytes were tested to the levels listed and found not to cause any interference up to the specified values. Test procedure. Before beginning this or any other Taylor test, it is best to read the instructions through to the end. Familiarizing yourself with all the steps to come is particularly important if the test is new to you or if the reagent pack is newly purchased, as sometimes our procedures change. Included within the instructions for K-8005 is information about the proper way to clean the glassware used for this test. Please read and follow these directions before performing the test to assure accurate results. To begin, press the power button to turn on the colorimeter. Press the main menu button and select a test menu: All Test, Recent Test, or Favorites, containing Phosphate 3, which will display results in terms of parts per million. You may also choose Phosphate 3000 if you want results displayed in parts per billion. For this demonstration, we will select Phosphate 3 from the All Test menu, which contains a list of pre-programmed Taylor tests. If you have added the Phosphate 3 test to your Favorites menu, it can be found there also, or in the Recent Tests menu if it's a test you have performed within your last 10 procedures. Scroll up or down to locate the Phosphate 3 test, then press Enter. Select a chemical form: phosphate, phosphorus, or diphosphorus pentoxide for expression of test results using the scroll arrows. For this demonstration, we will select phosphate. Rinse and fill the 25 mm sample cell to the 10 ml mark with the sample. Then cap. Insert the sample cell into the sample cell compartment, aligning the arrow on the cell with the notch on the sample cell compartment, then gently push down. Select 0 using the scroll arrows, then press Enter. 0 will be displayed on the screen. Remove the sample cell from the sample cell compartment and remove the cap. Add 1 ml Phosphate 3 reagent A, then swirl to mix. Using the 0.05 gram dipper spoon, add 1 level dipper Phosphate 3 reagent B. Then cap and swirl to mix for 30 seconds. Insert the sample cell into the sample cell compartment. Select Timer using the scroll arrows, then press Enter. Select Start, and then press Enter. A 5-minute countdown will begin. Immediately select Auto, and then press Enter. When the timer beeps, the instrument will read the sample and the result will be displayed. Other reagent packs. In addition to the K-8005, Taylor manufactures many other tests for the TTI colorimeter series. To view the complete listing, choose the Product Info button, go to Buy Colorimeter in the drop-down menu, then select Reagent Packs for your meter model. We also make an accuracy check kit, which should be used periodically to check instrument performance. Taylor's knowledgeable customer service representatives are available to provide technical assistance about our products. Call 800-TEST-KIT.